Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common issue that many users face: how to fix Telegram not responding on the PC app after the new update. If you're experiencing this frustrating problem, don't worry. Here are 5 effective steps you can try to get things back up and running smoothly. First up, let's start with a simple solution. Restart your device. Sometimes a quick reboot can resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that may be causing the app to misbehave. Just power off your computer, wait a moment, and then turn it back on. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable connection, as a weak or intermittent signal could be causing issues. If you're on Wi-Fi, you might want to try switching to mobile data, or vice versa, to see if that resolves the problem. Moving on, it's essential to check for device updates. Make sure your PC's operating system is up to date. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues with apps, and this includes Telegram. Head to your system settings and see if there are any updates available. Another possible fix is to disable any VPN or proxy services you might be using. Sometimes these can interfere with the app's functionality. Temporarily turning them off can help pinpoint if that's the cause of the issue. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and the problem persists, it might be time to contact Telegram support. They have official channels where you can reach out for further assistance and get help from the experts. That's it for today's tips. We hope these steps help you get your Telegram up and running again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.